Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I do my pedicures at home. I will take my feet from ugly to fabulous with few steps. I prefer doing my pedicure at home just because it saves me time and money. Most of the steps are self-explanatory, so I will mute the video, put music on and make it as relaxing as possible. Make sure to check the description down below for all the products that I'm using. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so. I make weekly videos on DIY beauty treatments, self-care days, pamper routines. If you're interested in this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with my pedicure. have been loving white toenails. It looks classy and clean. Make sure you take care of your feet year-round, not only in the seasons that we wear sandals. When my pedicure is on point, it boosts my confidence so much. It makes me feel clean, polished, and fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar content. I post videos every week, and I will see you guys next week.